Hi guys, Jeff and Cole here from TAP, back with another video in our series for the counter coronavirus. You might be starting to feel the pinch now and work might be starting to dry up. So you've got to think of yourself outside the square. What can we do to contact our customers to try and initiate a bit of work? And one of the ideas we've come up with is to contact your customer about their pollen filter and a health-related phone call.
The last thing you want to be doing right now when people are hunkering down and some people might not have some work and things like that is ring up and say, hey, it's time to have your car serviced. For what we can do is ring them up and say, hey, we're concerned. And you can go back through your records if you want to and say, hey, just give me a call. We noticed in the last 2 times that we've serviced your vehicle, your cabin filter wasn't replaced. We're offering a complimentary service to you. Please bring your car in. We'll have a look at your cabin filter. Probably while you wait, depending on what sort of car it is, you may have to leave it and come back later. Have a look at your cabin filter and see whether it needs to be replaced, and we'll give it a little bit of disinfection for you. We're trying to be very aware of how coronavirus is affecting everybody's life.
Yeah, so this is the one where you're getting quiet with work, you're looking for something for the guys to do. This would be the right reason to ring a customer, wouldn't it?
Well, it's certainly ringing for the right reason because you're there to help the customer, to show care for the customer, concern for the customer, and hey, if their vehicle's overdue for service and they want to have it serviced, well, of course, you'll organise to do that for them at the same time. And then you may even check their air filter, because they might have been involved in a situation where there was all the crap from the fires.
Yeah.
So it's about looking after the customer. Right now, that's all we want to do is look after customers. Then they'll understand, they'll respect us, and when they need things done, they'll let us do it.
And again, when the customer does come in for that complimentary inspection of the cabin filter, use the hand sanitizer, use the wipes, show them again. When you've finished inspecting it and you might have put a new one in or put the old one back in again, bit of disinfectant spray, bit of wipe down, show them that you're really proactive about it. They'll leave with a really good feeling.
And think in terms of when you want the customers to come in and try and get them to come in at the ideal time when you've got time to go out there and actually do that inspection if you want to do it while they wait or if you want them to leave the vehicle with you. So we're trying to offer a service to people, and that's what Aussies do. Yep. We work out there, we work out how do we offer a service, how do we help people through this terrible situation that we've got, and that's a great thing to do. I wouldn't mind having a phone call for somebody saying that to me, yep, because it's care and concern.
And because it's an existing customer, you've already got the records, you could already have a new filter there waiting. So you can have it sitting there, we've got a new one here, pop it in, disinfect, wipe it down. Thanks for coming. When would you like to get the service done? So you might even get some additional work out of it as well.
So we'd love to hear your stories on that. So once again, at the end of the video is my name and my email address. Please send me an email. You get any stories about this happening that we can share with the group. Yep. So this is what's happening, this is how it's worked, this is what really the customers like, and any other follow-up. See, you could normally just send out an email or you could send out a text, but to make a personal phone call, that shows that you care. And that's what we're trying to do.
Yep, so again, any ideas, put them through to Cole's email. We'll see you on the next video.